Welcome to our latest video of Pickup Wars, where we compare the top contenders in the pickup truck market. F-150, with its new hybrid powertrain and a myriad of trims, is more than adept at catering to all customers looking for a full-sized pickup. The Ranger might be a size smaller compared to the F-150, but it is as capable and sometimes more suited to a situation than its full-size elder brother. Today in this video, we're looking at two of Ford's heavy hitters, the Ford Ranger and the Ford F-150. Which one comes out on top? Let's find out. Cabin space. The larger F-150 will suit their needs much better than the Ranger. Available in a trio of cab configurations, regular, Super Cab, and Super Crew. The F-150 has oodles of stretch-out space. Bentleys should pay attention to the Super Crew and its four forward-swinging doors, as its rear seat legroom rivals those found on the bridge of the Starship Enterprise. Unlike some of its rivals, the Ranger has a livable bench seat in its rear quarters, although legroom in the Super Cab model will be at a premium for anyone who is not a relative of Dobby the House Elf. Front seat space should be more than adequate for most humans, albeit with less elbow room than the F-150, which is much wider.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Cargo capacity. The bigger brother in this comparison appears to stand head and shoulders above its stablemate. So you'd think that it automatically give it the dewey for cargo capacity, right? Not necessarily. F-150 pickups with a short box measuring just 5.5 feet in length has just 52.8 cubic feet of capacity in its bed, only a hair's more than the long box Ranger. Opting for the 6.5-foot box adds a solid 10 cubes of storage capacity. This midsizer is available in short or standard bed sizes, offering 43.3 and 51.8 cubic of cargo space respectively. All Rangers, regardless of cab configuration, are exactly the same length, with the Super Crew's extra interior room showing up at the expense of bed length. Powertrains. F-150 has 6 different engine options, including a hybrid and abrasive transmissions listed on the options sheet, all of them offering prodigious levels of power. The 3.5-liter Power Boost Hybrid is the latest to join the lineup and constitutes mating of the 3.5-liter EcoBoost with a 35 kilowatts electric motor that is integrated into the 10-speed transmission. Couple it with a 1.5 kilowatt-hours battery pack, and you are looking at a 700-mile range and a 12,000 ohms towing capacity. Not to mention 430 up and 570 pound-feet of peak torque. Ranger has but a single engine. It comes in the form of a 2.3 liters EcoBoost inline-4, set to make 270 horsepower and 310 units of twist. It is mated to a 10-speed automatic. Like the full-sizer, 4x4 is an option. Capability. Speaking of hauling, the new 2021 F-150 can now tow an incredible 14,000 ohms when equipped with the Max Trailer tow package. Most configurations can handle at least an 8,000 pounds trailer without an asterisk. F-150 trucks are also approved to haul a fifth-wheel camper. The ratings for that type of unit are lower than a conventional tag-along. Payload. The dark art that includes human passengers as cargo weight tops out over 3,000 ohms, but only in a very specific model and trim. Recently rated at a maximum of 7,500 ohms depending on equipment, the Ranger punches above its weight class. That number is far above what the 4-cylinder Toyota Tacoma is able to haul, and even outstrips that truck's abilities with a V6 engine. Fuel economy. The popular 2.7 liters EcoBoost V6, the only engine more efficient, is the 3.0-liter diesel, which can return up to 25 mph in the city and 26 mph out on the highway. EPA estimated fuel economy ratings for two-wheel drive versions of the Ranger are an impressive 21 mph in the city, 26 on the highway, and 23 combined for its two-wheel drive truck. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.